By this video, you are able to get two certificates related to data science. First of Fundamentals of R and second of Big Data Architecture. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of Amity Future Academy. I initially made total 4 to 6 videos on this platform, one of introduction and other of answers of the professional certificates. If you want to know login and register process on this platform, you need to go on the video where I show the registration process on this site. Here many courses are free and some of the courses are free but they have no free certificate. Some courses have a free certificate also. How to get to know about the free certificate and star mark on free is shows that there is free learning but there are no free certificate. Here you can see many courses are here. Now I am going to start the course of the fundamentals of R. R language means Ruby language. Python and R is the two languages which are most preferred for data science, and here I am going to start it. You can see already 3500 plus students are enrolled in this course. Now I am going to enroll in this course by tapping on enroll me, and after that you can see the course overview. You need to log in and register for this. There is a link in the description. You go through it, you find whole login and registration process of this platform. Here I am going to complete all the modules first. You need to complete all the modules by just tapping on the boxes. When the correct marks appear on the boxes, which means that you completed that, and now we are going to start the quiz by tapping on attempt quiz. Here is the quiz. You can see all the questions. Total 14 questions are there. This quiz is little bit long. With comparison of other courses quizzes, there is confirmation from me that all the answers here I am showing is correct. All the questions are in the same sequence. Maybe answers are shuffled. You can start your quiz, your course with this video and complete it in only 5 minutes and get a very handsome professional certificate from Amity Future Academy. Here is the fourth question. Just stay tuned for all the answers. We completed all the questions. Now here our answers are saved. Now we need to review. Just submit all and finish. And here you can see our result that 14 out of 14 answers are correct. 100% result is there. You can see a green mark on all the answers, and also you can see below there are answers. All the answers are correct. Here 14 out of 14 answers are correct. Just tap on finish review, and after that you get to know that our all answers are correct. Now I am going on the course overview for completing the feedback form. Feedback form is necessary to get our certificate on this platform. Just tap on the feedback form and here you need to random answer. Just see, I randomly tap on any option. Just complete it in some seconds and after that submit this. After submitting, there is an option of download certificate and here is the option. Just tap on view certificate and your certificate is ready. A professional certificate from Amity Future Academy for fundamentals of art. A very handsome certificate. And now I am moving to the next course. There are total 15 to 18 courses are free on the Future Academy and I already uploaded 7 quizzes answers and here is the 8th quiz and this is of big data architecture. It is also big data architecture is a part of data science and here I am going to enroll in this course. Just tapping on enroll me. Already 3,500 plus students enrolled in this course also. And by tapping on enroll me, you get access to all the courses, all the contents of these courses. Now I'm going to show you the course overview. Here is the faculty and big data introduction is firstly. You just tap on all the boxes. When the correct marks appear, a tick mark appears. That means you completed that course. You can see I'm just tapping on all the boxes. There is no need to do anything. If you want your certificate as soon as possible, here you get your certificate in only 4 minutes. I am going to start the quiz by tapping on quiz and here is the option of attempt quiz. Just tapping on attempt quiz, you can see all the questions. Total 10 questions are there. You can see total 10 questions. Now I am going to start it. Here's the first question. A very simple questions are there. Not much difficult. So you can also easily answer it. So just stay tuned till the last. This is the 10th and the last question of this quiz. We completed it and you can see all the answers are saved. Now we need to tap on submit all and finish. And after that you can see all answers are correct. 100% answers are correct. 10 out of 10 marks are there. You can see all answers are correct here. Just tap on finish review. And after that we need to complete the feedback form. Firstly go back. Here is the course overview. Now go on the feedback form. Firstly fill up the feedback form for getting your certificate for free. Here in the below there is a feedback form. Here just tap on feedback form and after that you can see tap on answers of the question and you need to random answers here. Just tap on any option, any random option and after that just submit it in some seconds. There is no need to invest your time on this. And now I complete it. Just tap on continue and after completing it you are able to get your certificate. Just tap on view certificate. Here is my handsome certificate from Amity Future Academy, a professional certificate of Big Data Architecture, also with the sign of the director of Amity Future Academy. Amity Future Academy is one of the best private college for engineering and management. You can join more courses for free here. You can see there are many courses remain. If you want, I also put the answers of that this much in this video. Thanks for watching.